2002 Ford Mustang with a 3.8 liter. The windshield wiper switch just stopped working all of a sudden. Everything else on the switch is still working. Does the vehicle have any codes? Yes, it has two, B1359 and B1353 for ignition run/accessory circuit fault and ignition key-in circuit open. So we have an open circuit. Here's the wiring diagram. Total of 2 pages. First, check the fuse. Fuse 26 there looks like it feeds the entire circuit, including the windshield washer pump. And yes, the washer pump is also inoperative. The central junction box is located in the driver's footwell area. The fuse is okay. Next, using a bidirectional scan tool, we're going to activate the wipers. We're gonna actuate them. And there you go. Our wipers are working. So the windshield wipers work when turning them on through the scanner, but they do not work when activating them through the switch. It sounds like a faulty switch, right? Case closed, right? Well, check this out. I'm looking at the PID for wiper mode. This is what the computer sees from the switch. This is the signal the switch is sending to the computer about switch position. As I scroll through the switch, the computer is registering its position. So the switch is good. It turns out the entire circuit is operating properly, but the windshield wipers aren't working. What in the world? That's a first. There's gotta be a missing piece of the puzzle. In questioning the owner of the vehicle, it is learned that there has been issues with the radio. So let's check that circuit out. The wiring diagram shows 5 fuses. Only number 32 was blown. Replacing it made the windshield wipers work as intended. Huh? Say what? But that fuse number 32 is not even on the windshield wipers circuit. How in the world? So in looking at power distribution wire diagrams, I found this one. It shows that fuse 32 feeds the radio and the GEM, the generic electronic module, which is a type of body control module used by Ford. The GEM is in the middle of the circuit. It's in between the multifunction switch and the windshield wiper motor. It did pass the circuit tests, but it also got power from the radio fuse, which was not shown on the wiring diagram. It could have gotten confusing for the inexperienced technician. This took care of the B1359 code, but the B1353 code was something else. Check out the video for that. So the windshield wipers are back to normal. All it was just a burnt fuse. Always check the fuse first, man. If you have a faulty GEM, this video shows you how to replace it. And this video shows you how to test your ignition switch. Have a good day.